What if you could create stunning videos and graphics in minutes? No design skills, no expensive software, and no hiring a pro. Stick around, because this tool is about to change the way you create content forever. Creating professional videos and graphics is hard. You either spend hours learning complicated software, waste money on expensive templates, or hire a designer who charges a fortune. And let's not even talk about finding the right images, videos, and music. But what if you could create high-quality, eye-catching content in minutes? No stress, no hassle, and no extra costs? That's where TheMovid Vol 3 comes in. TheMovid Vol 3 is your ultimate solution for creating professional videos and graphics in minutes. It's a huge collection of templates designed for PowerPoint. Yes, PowerPoint. No need for After Effects, Premiere Pro, or any plugins. Just edit, replace, and export. Whether you're a marketer, business owner, or content creator, TheMovid Vol 3 has everything you need to stand out on social media, attract customers, and grow your brand. Here's why TheMovid Vol 3 is a game changer. High-quality templates. Choose from a massive library of modern, fresh, and professional templates, perfect for any niche or business. Easy to use. No design skills? No problem. Just edit text, images, and colors in PowerPoint. It's so simple, even a newbie can do it. All in one package. Get royalty-free images, videos, and music included. No need to buy extras or worry about copyright issues. Unlimited use. Create as many videos and graphics as you want for unlimited projects. No monthly fees, no hidden costs. Here's the difference TheMovid Vol 3 makes. Before, you're stuck with boring content, wasting time and money on complicated tools. Your competitors are leaving you in the dust. After, with TheMovid Vol 3, you're creating eye-catching professional content that grabs attention and drives results. Your audience will be hooked. Don't just take my word for it. Here's what others are saying. TheMovid Vol 3 is amazing. I created stunning videos in minutes. No skills needed. This is the best investment I've made for my business. My social media has never looked better. The templates are so fresh and modern. My audience loves them. Here's how easy it is to create with TheMovid Vol 3. Choose a template. Pick from hundreds of stunning designs. Edit and customize. Replace text, images, and colors in PowerPoint. Export and share. Export your video or graphic and share it with the world. And here's the best part. Right now, you can get lifetime access to TheMovid Vol 3 for an unbeatable price. But hurry, this deal won't last forever. Ready to create stunning videos and graphics in minutes? Click the link below to grab your lifetime access to TheMovid Vol 3 now. Don't miss out. Your audience is waiting. TheMovid Vol 3, because your content deserves to stand out. Create high-quality videos and graphics in minutes without the stress or cost. Get started today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more game-changing tools. See you in the next video.